King with a Brompton. Well, the helmet will be on my head mostly, but this, whatever it is, rucksack, 30 odd litre rucksack, is so I can carry it on my back while the Brompton's packed up. The Brompton's actually in a bag there at the moment, and what I've just done is I've just weighed it, and so you'll see that what happens is it's about 5.82 kilograms. Now 5.82 kilograms, that's including a water bottle and everything else all packed up there. And what I can do is pull it all out and show you what I'm taking with me as camping gear. That's just the camping gear. My camping gear consists of the Pro Action bag, rucksack, day sack. They didn't say on it what litrage it is, but it might be 35 litres. That one I think came from Mountain Warehouse. The Wild Country Zephyros 1 single person tent, and you'll see that pitched for 3-season backpacking. That's what's it? I'll tell you in a minute what that is. This waterproof jacket, Trespass, as you can see on it, a Van Gogh ultralight 200 sleeping bag. This is hollow fibre rather than down. A piece of green ground sheet, doesn't quite cover the floor of the tent but will provide some protection. One of these foil emergency blanket things, don't know, but it's something to take. A repair patch for the Alp Kit inflatable sleeping mat. There's the microfiber travel towel. That's a Mountain Warehouse thing. As you can see, that's a Mountain Warehouse silk sleeping bag liner. A spare stuff sack. I had my helmet attached to it. There's a clip closed case here with a little plastic bowl inside it. A cup, and inside the cup is my foot cream, E45 type cream. A spare water bottle. That's a pound shop water bottle. I've left the Mountain Warehouse £7 one behind. That'll do. I can put juice or milk in that or something because I've got a water bottle on the bike. Some Huggies. The Skin So Soft Avon moisturiser, and then part of a pan set. Left some at home. The frying pan and the pan with lid in there because we don't need the full set, so I've taken the other bits out. I've also got in there, it's actually inside the towel, a spork and a penknife, which is all I need for eating with. We'll manage with that, don't need anything else in terms of cutlery, so spork and a penknife are in there. I don't think I'll add a tin opener. We won't take any tins that need opening unless the ring pulls. We'll look for that. So that then is the camping equipment, and I think it's over 5 kilograms. It's near 6, 5.8 kilograms, but the difference is I chose to go and get a backpack rather than use my really lightweight hold-all, thin and light hold-all, which would have gone on my back. What else is a little bit of extra weight? I need the waterproof. That's just for the can go on the bike, but it happens to be weighed in with this lot. Next thing then, what I'll do is I'll do a little video to show you the clothes, and then you've got it. This is a 3-week cycle camping trip. Clothes I'm showing it the other way about. In other words, I'm showing you everything laid out, and then I'll pack it away and put it into the bag. The bag in this case will go on the front of the Brompton, and it's the tea bag. That's with frame. That's about £115. On top of that is this Trespass long-sleeved jacket, which will serve as pillow and emergency warmth in case it gets cold. Packs very small. Down, I believe that's a down one. Just pause. This may be upside down. What a crazy thing. Let me stop. No, that's all right. So that's 90% down, 10% feather. Now this includes the clothes that I will actually be wearing. And so if I start at the bottom, for off-cycle use, one pair of sandals, that's it. For off-cycle use, when I just want to be cool and comfortable and out of lycra, one cotton t-shirt, one pair of cotton undies, and a pair of, there they are. This is long trousers, the mosquito-proof crag hopper walking trousers. The only long-sleeved cycling top is an Altura micro fleece. Then there's a little Aldi top jacket and cycling top, and a Trespass cycling top. So that's two cycling tops, one there, and the micro fleece. Two shorts, an Altura pair of shorts and a Mountain Warehouse grey pair of shorts, there and there, so two pairs of shorts, shorty gloves. In terms of undies, a Pearl Izumi, whatever make that is, decent pair with a really thick chamois padding, and then two Aldi cheap pairs with thin chamois padding, because they're very lightweight. A net high vis, in case I'm wearing this at any time, because it doesn't have any high vis on it, and therefore very light. So that's the clothing. Let's have a look at other bits and pieces. A couple of little more packs of wet wipes. Bungees, that's the wire loop for the lock. This new lock I've got, which is this folding up lock. And then we get into all the bits. How many creams? Bum cream, shampoo, antiseptic cream, sun cream. That's enough. The foot cream was in the cup and the other thing. One toothpaste there. I've got another toothpaste in there, so two little tubes of toothpaste, and even a spray aerosol. Then there's some electronics, which is debatable. Pills. My prescription pills, and some other painkillers and plasters and things. So that's first aidy type stuff. And then what we've got is a power pack, spare lamps, and these are debatable. The other thing's debatable. Got to decide within the next 24 hours. I've got a camera there. What I need to find is the charging lead that charges directly into the camera, because I don't want to take the separate thing you plug the battery into. Need to charge the battery on camera, and then I will consider taking the camera case, but I'll weigh it in. We've got a GoPro camera and a couple of spare cards. We've got two chargers, one here for Continental and one here which will need adapter sockets. I've not got that here. That's good. Sunglasses, prescription sunglasses, another USB lead, and then this box is the Kingston brand new. The idea of this is I could possibly take a spare little hard drive to transfer images onto, but I'm still not confident about that. I may have to just rely on a couple of 64GB cards spare for the GoPro, and hope that that does enough, and everything else will just have to be on the phone or possibly the camera if I take it, but it's not guaranteed that I take it. There's a couple of energy bars there. So the various bits of electronics, and the idea is not I've got the phone in my hand, and this phone that's in my hand will be going with me, and this phone would connect to that white box down there by Wi-Fi if I take it, and allow transference of cards from there onto some other storage device, so I can take the pictures off the GoPro and put them onto something else. And I need to experiment with that very last minute. The advantage of taking this thing, besides that backing up of the storage from GoPro, is it's also a power pack, and in theory can be used to charge a phone. I'm going to try it again in a minute, but I've charged it once and it seemed to lose charge very quickly. Look very quickly, which would mean it's brand new from Kingston themselves, so it's not a clone, but there should be a good strength of battery. That thing I got from a garage petrol station, which is a Kodak stick. It's just got one of those rechargeable batteries in it. Works quite well. It's a couple of years old. It's still working, and I think it's worth the wait just to have that spare bit of charge for your electronics if you need it. So that then is the clothing, and I'm going to pack the clothing away, including the bike lock. That's 1 kilogram. Immediately I've lost 1 kilogram with the lock without these bits. There's no water in the water bottle. The bag itself is quite heavy before you've got everything else packed. However, bear in mind, I will not have all of this on the bike at once, because I will be wearing at least the cycling undershorts, the cycling shorts, and a t-shirt. And I may even, well, depending on the weather, have something else on. But so a couple of the pieces will be out. Maybe I can see what difference to the weight that makes. Okay, let's pack it away and see what weight all of that is. Let's have a look. Right, okay, so let's have a look at the weight of this lot. Wow, 6.47 kilograms. That's quite heavy. But the bag itself, bag and frame, are quite heavy. That's without water in the bottle. That's without the clothes I'll actually be wearing, which are just there. But there is 1 kilogram of lock in there and a few electrical bits which weren't in there. Because I had got the clothing packing down to 5 kilograms. So there's 1.5 kilograms now that's been added to that. So there we go. We can add those two together. Remember, that's excluding this bit, but there's not much weight in those clothes, but I will be wearing those. And I haven't included that box yet, and I won't include it until I'm sure that it's actually worth taking and I can get it to work reliably. So there we go. Those you saw packed were less than 6 kilograms, 5.8. This is 6.4. That's 12.2, is it? Something like that, kilograms all together in terms of the weight of stuff I'll be carrying on the Brompton. And I think I said before, that's the Brompton in its bag. And I don't know whether to take the bag or not, but it helps if you're getting on and off things and people don't like bicycles.